Hi guys, it's your boy Henry again from GI Technology. Currently we are inside Kasoa City. Here we fix our 16 cameras. All cameras have audio, meaning that they have microphone, they can record everything on site. Also the cameras have colored night vision. Colored night means that at night when there's low light, the camera is able to trigger its own infrared, which makes the view colored. So wherever you are in the world, you can hear everything on site, and then also you can see everything colored even when there's darkness. We are the best CCTV company in Ghana, and we deliver some very wonderful finishing for the customer. Let's go, let me show you everything about the camera.